Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another great SPAC stock for you with a lot of upside potential that you may want to buy now. Of course, remember this is a SPAC stock, so it's still considered a speculative investment. And lastly, full disclaimer, this is just my opinion and not financial advice, so please do your own further research. With that said, let's get into it. Today's SPAC is Falcon Acquisition Corp, FCAC. This one is a bit different from our typical SPAC strategies to make money. If you haven't watched it, please check out our video above on how to trade SPAC stock. As you recall, we usually don't buy SPAC stock after it has made a deal announcement. We usually sell because the price has gone up. But this one's a bit different, and let me explain why. On Friday, PR Newswire published a report that ShareCare, a digital health platform, will merge with FCAC. The deal will value the company at roughly $3.9 billion. Upon this news, the stock popped to $12.80 but ended the day actually down at $11.37. Thus, investors must not like this deal or the hedge funds decide to take profits, which is what they usually do, thus depressing the price lower. However, we can't just assume it's a bad deal, and we must look deeper into ShareCare's business to determine if there's a buy opportunity here. So first, let's take a look at FCAC and see who they are. In September, Falcon Capital raised $345 million with the purpose of targeting a media digital consumer tech company. This SPAC is led by Alan Muchin, who is also the CEO of the Aurelian Group, a very successful investment and strategic consulting firm. Prior to that, Alan was the founder of the boutique investment bank, AGM Partners, which has advised and led transaction deals for clients totaling over $80 billion. And prior to that, Alan also held leadership position at investment bank Goldman Sachs, Bear Stearns, and Lehman Brothers. As for SPAC experience, Alan was also on the board of directors for the Flying Eagle Acquisition Corp, which led the successful SPAC merger with Skills, the mobile esports platform, which is currently trading at $37.15. Hence, as you can see, Alan is very experienced in finding good deals and highly capable of taking ShareCare to the next level. Next, let's take a look at ShareCare. ShareCare is a digital health company that helps people consolidate and manage various components of their health in one place. By utilizing the company's comprehensive and data-driven virtual health software, each person, no matter where they are in their health journey, can easily connect to their information, find evidence-based programs, and look for qualified health professionals. ShareCare's goal is to fix the fragmented offering in the current health industry by creating a digital hub focusing on health and well-being that is unified in one ecosystem between all stakeholders, including health plans, employers, providers, and life science companies. Here is a very good video promo of the company's products and services.
It all starts with your real age, which is our health risk assessment that tells you your body's age versus your calendar age. Based on your results, we can provide personalized recommendations, insights, and topics focused on what you need to do to lower your real age and start living healthier. Then you set your goals to address the area you want to work on, like stress, sleep, nutrition, and activity or exercise. Every day when you come back, you'll see feedback on your health, insights about your activity, recommended content, and nudges to promote healthy actions like available programs or healthy challenges. In the track section, you'll see your real age is connected to your daily habits. As you move 8 of the factors from red to green each day, you'll earn a green day. ShareCare is connected with your employer, health plan, and doctor to unlock benefits and services you're already paying for and make them easily accessible all on your phone. Challenges are a great way to shape your healthy behaviors. Our challenges show a leaderboard and can be easily tied to an incentive or reward to kickstart the competition. Browse the Benefits Hub for instant access to all the digital therapeutics available for you through your employer. One of our core competencies, lifestyle and disease management coaching, brings the best expert guidance with live coaches by phone or chat. Your employer or health plan can incentivize all these health activities with rewards. The Use section stores all your health information in your health profile, with all of your latest health vitals, medications, biometrics, and recent claims you can easily access anytime or share it with your doctor or nurse. The best part is that your biometric results from your employer and any claims data from your insurance company will appear right here in your health profile automatically. And we make this simple for our customers by offering self-service tools. So employers, health plans, and providers have access to a command center to manage their population. Member management allows employers to easily edit and update members' information within their population. Communications provides employers with the ability to identify key segments within the population and push campaign messages to these groups with specific actions to drive awareness or engagement with their company or services they offer. The rewards and incentive framework allows configuration of activities for completion, a point system to track towards completion, and an awards fulfillment center. We offer a robust analytics and reporting dashboard so employers and health plans can identify opportunities and view trends tied to eligibility, onboarding, feature engagement, and outcomes. Instead of waiting for a yearly or monthly report, this tool now gives employers actionable data they need when they need it.
Next, let's quickly go over ShareCare's service and offerings. ShareCare has 3 business service solutions depending on the end users, which is broken into 3 divisions: enterprise, provider, and consumer solutions. For consumer, the comprehensive platform core function is to provide individuals with education information about their health, wellness, and well-being. Currently, the platform has over 100 million users in its database and has a significant library with over 265,000 articles or slideshows and 48,000 videos. There's a lot of growth and engagement with over 400,000 new users per month. Its clients include large pharma and life science companies such as GSK and Amgen and many more, all of whom are utilizing the platform to better promote their brand and engage potential customers. This division is doing really well and has generated over $56 million in sales for 2020. In addition, ShareCare will continue to invest more money into creating personalized content and experience to further grow its user base. There's also further revenue growth potential with the introduction of new products such as CRO, which will help decentralize and engage digital clinical trials. Next, on the provider side, its core service is health information management, which includes information release, medical record retrieval, audits, reviews, dynamic insights, and forms management. Additionally, there are also options for providers to also purchase incremental services such as value-based care, payment integrity, and chronic condition intervention programs. By utilizing ShareCare's platform, providers can achieve higher efficiency and provide better patient care to their members. This is a highly healthy business for ShareCare, generating over $80 million in revenue for 2020, and all are based on recurring multi-year contracts with upsell opportunities on those extra incremental service offerings. It currently has a client base of over 6,000 hospitals and physician practices, 75 health plan providers, including large providers such as Humana and Aetna, and it's growing 15% organically. Lastly, we have the enterprise business. This is its main bread and butter. ShareCare's platform provides companies solutions for their employees to be able to access wellness program and other health services to manage their health, a hub for communication and access to benefit information, enrollment services, and navigations to providers and support, all in one verified and secure digital platform. Currently, this is the most lucrative part of their business, generating over $190 million in revenue, and all contractually recurring on multi-year deals. Currently, its client base includes 27 direct large employers, 9 health plan companies, and 10 public government services. For example, Anthem, Humana, CarePlus, Delta, State Farm, Walmart, and even the Georgia state government, and many more are utilizing ShareCare's platform and services. Additionally, there's even further revenue growth potential through the introduction of new services such as their digital therapeutic programs. For example, its diabetes prevention program has seen a 600% growth from 500 enrolled members 6 months ago to now over 3,000 paying members per month. And this is just one of its therapeutics programs. Hence, there's even a lot more potential growth to come. Overall, ShareCare has 3 really strong business service offerings that will continue to grow as it further scales its business and become the one-stop solution for all health information and management. Next, in looking at its competitive advantage, ShareCare has a unique platform that has grown dramatically over the past 8 years. It has over 100 million users with over 45 million user health assessment data and 30 plus years of knowledge data for disease management and chronic care. Its enterprise business has over 10,000 hospital practice business clients and 1.1 plus million members under its provider business. It also has a very strong brand with over 15 million social followers, which is higher than any of its competitors such as Teladoc, Amwell, or One Medical. But what is really interesting is its continued investment in data and AI to help it differentiate its products and drive personalization and engagement. More recently, they acquired Doc.ai, which is a deep learning digital health platform that uses deep AI learning to capture real-world medical and life data in order to provide clients with unique insights and prediction. For example, Doc.ai can help employers manage their employees in reopening their business for COVID. It also helps you do real-world research for digital clinical trials. It also functions as a virtual behavioral health to monitor and access mental health. Thus, combined, ShareCare and Doc.ai will be able to create an even more holistic platform that will not only have insight and predictive power, but will also add in additional social, influencer, and community data along with health security all in one place so that clients can now not only anticipate their members' need, but also prescribe proper action plans and engagement. And to make this combination even more exciting is the involvement of Anthem, who is the investor in Doc AI and will now be a key partner by providing data access to its 106 million members in his vast network and affiliate companies. Thus, I'm certain this will be a huge competitive advantage for ShareCare over its competitors. Next, and what I think is really the big opportunity for ShareCare, is this new product offering of health security and digital vaccine. As we know, the current COVID situation requires many enterprises and business to reassess how it's taking care of its employees' health and what preventive procedure it has in place. Given the Democratic win, employers will likely not get the corporate liability protection for COVID. Thus, companies are now looking to spend more money on health protection for its office procedures and employees. Thus, companies will absolutely look for programs like health security. ShareCare's new health security platform can help companies manage, monitor, and verify proper best practice procedure, ensure proper certification and training programs all in one easy-to-use program so that employers can make sure that their employees and customers are safe. Think of it as an easier way to monitor and protect the workplace from COVID, as well as being able to coordinate actions for office, store opening, and closing in case of a breakout in real time. Additionally, there's also a vaccine program offering that will help manage and share information such as onboarding, vaccine scheduling, digital assistance, and reporting analytics for KPI and result tracking. Currently, this program is already being utilized by many large brands such as the W Hotel, Ritz-Carlton, State Farm, etc. Hence, I can easily see this being the moneymaker for ShareCare in the years to come. Next, let's take at their operational and financial performance. For 2020, they will end the year with around $330 million in revenue, which is up 9% year over year. They have an excellent gross profit margin of 50% and adjusted EBITDA of $29 million. Thus, they are already profitable, which is what we like to see. They expect to grow revenue at a compounded annual rate of 24% and with more increases in its customer base and upsell opportunities from its health security and vaccine solutions. They also expect profit to grow at 51%. But what is more interesting is that 90% of their revenue is already recurring and contracted for 2021. Thus, the revenue is very stable. For example, they're fully booked for 2021 on the enterprise side and 95% booked on the provider side. Hence, investors can feel safe investing in ShareCare because it is profitable with a stable and recurring revenue stream. Next, in looking at this deal and ShareCare's valuation, we see that they're being valued at $4.15 billion and will get a cash infusion of $466 million, giving them an enterprise value of roughly $3.75 billion. The company will use the cash to pay off existing debt of $65 million and will be debt-free with cash on hand of about $401 million. At this level, they're trading at 9.5 times 2021 sales. But this doesn't really tell us much unless we compare it to their peers. Here, their main peer is Teladoc, Amwell, and One Medical. So in looking at this group, we see that ShareCare is trading at almost half the price of their peers. However, ShareCare is growing a bit slower at only 24.5% as compared to Teladoc's 38%. Thus, if we adjust for the growth difference, ShareCare is trading at about a 27% discount in comparison to Teladoc and more than a 50% discount as compared to its other peers. Additionally, we must also note that Teladoc is not yet profitable. Thus, at these levels and with their further potential growth opportunity, ShareCare does seem very cheap. Next, in looking at the company's management, we see that it's being led by seasoned veterans with diverse experienced leadership and expertise across technology, media, and healthcare. They're also being supported by strategic investors like Anthem, the largest for-profit managed healthcare company in the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association, Oprah, who will be huge for digital and media, FCAC for workplace clients, and Remark and Wells Fargo for finance and investment networks. But more importantly, it's its founder and CEO Jeff Arnold, who's a serial entrepreneur in this sector, having founded and successfully exiting multiple companies like QDS, WebMD, How Stuff Works, and sold it to larger brands. Thus, Jeff is very capable of growing ShareCare and maybe even finding us a lucrative M&A exit in the future. Lastly, let's take a look at the technical to find a good entry price. Currently, there's a lot of resistance at $12.80 with really good support at $10.80 and $10.40. It last traded around $11.31 on Friday. Spacs in general have been seeing huge sell-offs after announcement if it is a non-EV related name. However, I think the market is sleeping on this one as healthcare and health tech will be the central focal point given COVID and further health concerns. Thus, I think the valuation is quite cheap here and I really like this Spac. Full disclaimer, I bought this stock on Friday and will look to buy more if it continues to go down further. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also comment below and let me know what you think about the Spac and or ShareCare. And as always, this is just my opinion, so please do your own further research. Happy trading and please don't forget to subscribe.